in Japan, no matter your heritage, it's perfectly acceptable to don a kimono. And in many places, like the streets of Kyoto and Nara, it is still a common sight for visitors and tourists. Originally worn by commoners or as an undergarment by the aristocracy, from the 16th century, kimono became the principal item of dress for all classes. It is still an enduring symbol of traditional Japanese culture today. Visiting Japan wouldn't be complete without you experiencing wearing of the national dress of Japan. It is rare to have a kimono at home. However, the Japanese wear the kimono on special occasions, such as weddings. Traditional Japanese clothing kimonos still plays an important part in Japanese culture, particularly during special events.